Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the word mobile app. Open the file and go straight to the page with numbering. Once done, tap Edit to unlock headers and footers because page number's live there. Make sure you're not in a protected or read-only file, otherwise changes won't stick. You need to access the header or footer area next, so tap near the top or bottom of the page to reveal the header/footer controls. That first edit step lets you remove or change numbering settings. Once the header or footer is visible, tap the page number itself or the Insert menu to access page number options. This is where you remove, format, or restart numbering. If the number is in a different section, you'll need to check section breaks. Make sure Link to Previous is toggled off when editing sections, because otherwise changes propagate. Use Remove Page Numbers to delete all numbers in the current section, or choose Format Page Numbers to restart or change numbering style if you want selective removal. After removing or changing numbers, save and scroll through the document to confirm the result. Sometimes a lingering number is just in another section. If you still see numbers, reopen the header/footer for each section and verify Link to Previous is off, then remove numbers individually or reformat numbering. If the app behaves oddly, close, and relaunch word, that often clears UI glitches. Finally, make sure the file's synced if stored in the cloud, so your edits persist across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.